Today, I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter on your car. It's a simple process that can keep your engine running smoothly. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm using a pair of fuel filter pliers. These pliers make it easier to get a good grip on the fuel line and carefully detach it from the filter. Make sure to handle the fuel line gently to avoid any damage. Just grip the line with the pliers, give it a slight twist, and pull it away from the filter. This process might take a bit of effort, but with steady pressure, it should come off smoothly. Next, we need to remove the screw holding the fuel filter in place. I'm using a screwdriver to carefully loosen and take out the screw. This screw keeps the fuel filter securely attached, so make sure to keep it safe for reinstallation. The fuel filter is usually found along the frame rail under the car or in the engine bay. Check your car's manual if you're not sure where it is. Before we start, we need to relieve the fuel system pressure. This is a crucial step to avoid fuel spraying out when disconnecting the filter. For many cars, like this one, you'll need to locate your car's fuse box and find the fuel pump relay. Remove the relay and start the engine. It will run for a few seconds and then stall. However, some cars come with a valve in the engine bay specifically designed to relieve fuel pressure. If your car has this valve, simply use it to release the pressure. Always refer to your car's manual to find the exact location and procedure. Be prepared for some fuel to spill, so have your rags or drip tray ready. Carefully disconnect the fuel lines from the filter. With the old filter out, it's time to install the new one. Make sure the flow arrow on the new filter points in the direction of the fuel flow. Connecting the fuel filter clip to the new filter. This ensures it's secure and ready to go. Once the clip is in place, position the new filter where the old one was. Carefully press the fuel line onto the new filter. You should hear a click sound when the fuel line is properly in place. This sound confirms that the connection is secure and the clip is holding the line firmly. Double check that everything is tight and properly aligned before moving on to the next step. This will help prevent any leaks or issues once the fuel system is pressurized again. So let's test for leaks. Reinstall the fuel pump relay, turn the ignition key to the on position. Do not start the engine, and check for any leaks around the new filter. If everything looks good, start the engine and make sure it's running smoothly. Take the old filter and try to blow through it. If the filter is blocked, you'll find it slightly hard to blow through. This indicates that the filter is clogged and was restricting fuel flow. For comparison, you can try blowing through the new filter. You should find it much easier to blow through.